So over here, you can see that I got some products right here. And let's say what I want to do is add in some product variants for a single product. Let's say, for example, for the photo editing class, let's say I want to divide it into a beginner and advanced level class. So to do that, let me just go to manage product. And then over here, you can see that this is the photo editing class that I have right here. Let me just go ahead and click. And then what you can do now is go ahead and click on add variant right here. So now over here in the variant, I'm just going to go around and say crash course right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to say basic course right here, just like this, which is going to be $25, let's say, for example. And then I'm going to go around and say advanced course right here, just like this. And let's say this is going to be $53. You can change the tag as you want to, and you can even go ahead and change out, let's say, for example, image right here per variant. So you can go ahead and upload it out, as you can see right here, and have a different image for the variant as well. Well, let me just go ahead and change it that way, and then click on save right here, just like this. And let me just go ahead and publish this out right here, publish this out to actually show you how it would actually look like. So if I were to go around over here and access my site, you can see that this is what you have. So now, since I added in a variant, you can see it says $12 to $53, which is the range. So if I were to click on buy now, I can actually choose the variant right here. And when I choose that, you can actually see that the price changes out dynamically right here. You can choose the quantity as you like right here and then order it out. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in store product variants inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.